Hello there. In this tutorial, we're going to be submitting our podcast to the Google. Oh man, I think I did. No, that's right. Okay, now we're going to be submitting our podcast to the Google Play Store. My name is Crystal Hill. I'm with the X Host Masters here. So first off, a while ago I had recorded this, but I jacked it up. If you go into your thing and just put Google Podcast Portal. Okay, what it'll say podcast portal Google Play. Okay, and so what we need to do is pretty much add this. So when you do that, when you submit the URL feed, like it'll say enter RSS feed, yada yada yada, and then it'll say verify. It'll like if it's not your email, then it'll say hey verify this email. So so basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna log into whatever email that I put, and I think I did it under support. Now I'm gonna check my email there. Google should have sent me a email. See, there you go, where it say verify the thing and everything. I want to display the images. Okay, then I'm just gonna say verify ownership. Okay, now it says it's verified. Now that I've verified who I am, I just need to say publish podcast. All right, so it's under review. And pretty much when it does happening, it takes about 24 to 48 hours and they'll approve it. And then you're going to see the podcast there. Okay, so that's how you submit to the Google Play Store. On the next video, what we're going to do is that, oh Lord, don't want my hair out there. What we're going to do is submit to Spotify.